Raw Cash registration process. Go to the Raw Cash official site. Click on the register in the top right corner. Select register with email. Type in your email address. Click get verification code. Find the verification code in your email and enter it. Set the password and confirm it. Enter the invitation code. Tick the read and agree Raw Cash user service agreement. Then click register to complete the registration. Set the payment password after registration. Click My at the bottom. Click Account Settings. Set payment password. Click Get Verification Code. Enter the verification code received by email. Type in and confirm your password. Click Confirm to complete the payment password setup or change. Finishing the above steps means that you have registered your Raw Cash account successfully. Raw Cash deposit process. Go to the Raw Cash official site. Click the login in the top right corner. Click My at the bottom. Click Top Up Coins. Choose the currency. Select the chain type. Click Copy Address or scan the address QR code with your crypto wallet. Finish the transfer of corresponding currency in the crypto wallet. Enter top-up amount. Click the plus sign to upload the top-up screenshot. Click Submit now to finish the deposit. Wait for the financial verification. You can check the deposit details in the Assets flow in My Assets. Finishing the above steps means that you have finished the top-up process on Raw Cash successfully. Raw Cash purchase process. Go to the Raw Cash official site. Click the login in the top right corner. Click Mining at the bottom. Click All to view all products. You can also select currency BTC, ETH or fill to see corresponding products. Click Buy Now to purchase. Confirm the hash rate, delivery period, service cycle and payment mode. Select a coupon, set the purchase quantity. Click Submit Order. Enter the payment password. Click Confirm to complete the purchase. Click My Order to check the order details. Finishing the above steps means that you have purchased the Raw Cash product successfully. Raw Cash withdrawal process. Go to the Raw Cash official site. Click Login in the top right corner. Click My at the bottom. Click Withdraw Coins. Select currency and chain type. Enter the transfer out address and transfer out amount. Enter the payment password. Click Submit now. In the confirmation page, click Confirm. You can check the withdrawal details in the Assets flow in My Assets. Finishing the above steps means that you have finished the withdrawal process on Raw Cash. Please reach out to the platform customer service for more details.